Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Realme. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down to access password and security. Then tap on face and enter your current login method. Following that, read the disclaimer and choose continue. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can click on this sweater next to Rise to Wake to switch off or on this feature. Then select Done. Adjust all of those options however you wish though. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can always do that by tapping on face again, entering your screen lock, and tapping on this pin icon next to face data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!